Hello, welcome back to DNA Channel. Today we're unboxing our new snow boots by Korkers. We chose the Neo Arctic because we live in Northwest Colorado and can have extreme temperatures and extreme snow. In the past, we always had Muck Boots. Our current Muck Boots are being held together with shoe goo. So while on the hunt for new boots, we decided to see what else is out there. We came across Korkers, which are mostly known for their fishing footwear. They're notable because of their Omnitrax interchangeable sole system. We purchased the women's Neo Arctic in gray and the men's Neo Arctic in brown. The Neo Arctic comes with the all-terrain sole. They're 16 inches tall, 100% waterproof, with 8 millimeters of neoprene. The top has an adjustable gusset to fit your pants inside your boots, and there's a large heel kick to help remove them. They're rated down to -60 degrees Fahrenheit. They offer 12 different sole options, some of which have carbide spikes for extra traction on slick surfaces. We're really excited to try these out and see how they compare to our Muck Boots. If you're interested in purchasing, please see the links below, and thanks so much for watching.